Want to boost your brain health and build a defense against cognitive decline? Research shows that simple, daily habits can significantly reduce your dementia risk and support Alzheimer's prevention. Here are 6 powerful strategies to incorporate into your life for long-term cognitive function. Number 1. Fuel with a brain-healthy plate. Adopt eating patterns like the Mind diet or Mediterranean diet, which are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory foods. Focus on leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, nuts, and olive oil. This approach combats oxidative stress and supports overall brain cell health. Number 2. Get moving with regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity, aerobic exercise weekly, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, promotes the growth of new neurons, and helps manage vascular health risk factors like high blood pressure, which are linked to cognitive impairment. Number 3. Prioritize deep, restorative sleep. Target 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. During deep sleep, your brain's glymphatic system activates, acting like a cleanup crew to flush out toxic proteins, including beta-amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Good sleep hygiene is non-negotiable for memory consolidation. Number 4. Challenge your mind constantly. Keep your brain engaged and agile by learning new skills. This could be reading, solving puzzles, learning a language, or playing a musical instrument. This cognitive stimulation builds neuroplasticity and strengthens your cognitive reserve, helping your brain better resist decline. Number 5. Nurture your social connections. Stay socially active and make an effort to connect with friends, family, and community groups. Social engagement is a powerful form of mental stimulation that can improve mood, reduce stress, and combat loneliness, a significant risk factor for dementia. Number 6. Manage chronic stress proactively. Chronic stress floods the brain with cortisol, which can damage the hippocampus, the memory center. Practice stress management techniques like mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Protecting your mental well-being is a direct investment in your cognitive health. In conclusion, incorporating these 6 daily habits into your lifestyle can significantly enhance your brain health and potentially lower your risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Remember, it's the consistent, small changes that make the big difference in supporting your cognitive function and ensuring that your brain stays healthy and resilient as you age. Thanks for watching. Click the link in description for resource. Please subscribe and comment.